Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you how we recreate this ceiling into a beautiful galaxy theme. If you are interested on seeing how we did this, then just keep watching. The first thing that we focused on was on prepping. We had to prep the whole wall and making sure that we had tape all around the areas that we weren't going to paint.
Get bored easily, and then once we start praying, that's when the fun comes in.
He said that it's too much work for prepping, which it's better to do the prep properly, because otherwise I still need to take that one down so that way it won't get painted. But other than that, we are so ready to do our black wall.
It's cold right here.
And the first thing that we are going to do is start with our first coat of paint, which is black. That will be our base to recreate this galaxy theme. I will make sure to put everything down in the description in case you guys want to recreate something like this. Trust me, I researched a lot and I did watched a few videos, and I will make sure to also link down one of the videos that I thought it was really well explained, and I'm hoping that I am also explaining this, but that video was pretty much my guide for us to do this galaxy theme. And so shout out to that channel. Don't know the name, but I will be linking it down below in case you guys want more information or want to recreate something like this. So once you put the black color down, you have to wait 24 hours in order for it to be dry, so you can start prepping your pretty much galaxy theme, which you're going to be adding more than one color. We did went with all the colors from blues, purples, kind of like lavender, in the darkest and lightest colors. Now for the blending process, we did use the foam rollers, which another alternative that you can use, it's kind of like a patting motions with a rag. I wanted to do that at the end, but since we did started with this foam rollers, we just went with it. But in case you guys want to recreate this, the patting motion with a rag will be another alternative. You will see at the beginning that you literally can see the strokes of the paint, but trust me, once it's dry and you start putting other colors, you can start blending it and all those strokes are going to be gone. We kind of did a mistake on here and let the first coat dry overnight, and it wasn't intentionally, it was because it was really dark and we just didn't have enough time to continue. But if you can do it earlier so you won't let it dry, it will be a much easier process when it comes to blending, because once it was dry, it was a little bit more hard to us for blending. But again, the more you blend, and all the strokes will come out easily. For the other colors that we end up adding into the ceiling, we went with the darkest blues, and then we went with the lightest blue, and now with the purples. I did decided to add in on one side all the blues and then on the other side the purples, but at the end you will see that I did add a little bit of a blue in between the purples. But that was just because my son wanted it that way. I feel that a galaxy theme, it can be different colors. You can also add reds. I did saw in a few videos that you can add the red colors, but we just went with the regular purples and blues. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this so far, give me a thumbs up so that way I can know that you did enjoy it or you are enjoying it. And here is where we are adding the lighter colors. We did went with the lighter purple in the middle, and then we are going to be adding the blues. It was a little hard for me to not wanting to do it all by myself. I really wanted my son to be involved in all this. So we did had a few mistakes here and there. But again, when it comes to a galaxy theme, you can fix it right away just by blending other colors. We add in a few blacks at the end with a few areas where we were having imperfections. Now, I need your help with this. So our covers for the fans on the ceiling, they are white, and I wanted to leave them white, but then Ivan wants them to be black, and then my other kids were giving me an idea of painting them red and making them seem like a planet. What do you think? Should we just leave it white, put it black, or paint it red? Leave me your comments down below and help us out in here, because we really don't know what to do with that. For the stars, we used some chopsticks. I thought it was easier this way just because on one side they're a little bit more pointy, and you can also use the back part because they are a little bit thicker. This was one of the fun parts for Ivan, and even though it looks that it took us forever to do the stars, trust me, it wasn't that long. It probably took us like an hour to do the whole process. And we add in here a few bigger stars, but like I said at the beginning, we did have a few imperfections, and we blend those with black color. And you will see in here that underneath the fan, you're gonna see a little bit of darker black color, and that's because we had to blend one of the stars that it came out really big. Now this one was another big star that my son did, and that was his recreation, so we end up leaving that one in there. And we just add like 3 or 4 stars. We didn't add that much. But since this was our first time, I thought we did okay. What do you guys think? Let us know down in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so fun to do this, even though it took us a few days to finish it. Let us know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? And I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys want to see the full process of the whole room, don't forget to subscribe. Give us that big thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and also hit the bell so you can be notified whenever that video goes up live. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.